So I selected Google Forms as my assessment tool. So right here is actually my first one I've made on here, but as you all know, my theme is farm theme. So to generate my questions, I used my lesson objectives here. So mine are for kindergartners, so that's why they're fairly easy. But my first one is about using pictures of an animal, being able to know what it is. They need to know what plants need to survive, and they also need to be able to tell like what an adult animal would look like as a baby and vice versa. So here on my Google Forms, my first question, what animal is this? And they had three options, same thing, three more options, same thing, three more options. Which of these do plants not need to survive? And then which of these is this animal as a baby? If I were to want to create another question, I would come up here to add question. Pops up here. I can type in whatever I want my question to say. And then right here, type in your option. And then you can add another option right here. You can add as many as you want there. If you want to delete one, you can remove it. You come here to add an image. You have lots of different ways you can upload your image. For all of mine today, I just use search. And then if I didn't want this whole question there, I can just delete my whole question. Over here I have the responses, and I had mine sent to 4 different people. I had them leave 2 blank just so you could see what it looked like to have questions not answered. So on this one, everybody selected cow. The second and third, they did not answer. Fourth one, everybody selected bugs. And fifth one, everybody selected option 2 here, which was the picture of the pig. So I do think this is a really quick and easy assessment tool and can be really useful in the classroom.